Perfectly cooked rice and super flavorful. This recipe is going to be a hit. We are going to be making some delicious zucchini coconut rice, which is going to need very few ingredients, and it's going to be perfect for meal prepping. And if you're looking forward to make some quick lunch or dinner, this is the recipe for you to try out. This recipe is super easy because we have some thyme, garlic, zucchini, we have coconut cream, cooking oil, 1 cup of rice, salt, and lime. We're going to get straight into cooking by placing a pan over medium flame. If you're going to be doubling up or tripling the recipe, you can use a pot. I'm going to be using my pan because this is a recipe for 2. Add in my dried thyme and toast together with 3 cloves of garlic. Cook your garlic for around 30 seconds to a minute, and this is going to remove the raw garlic flavor and make it very flavorful. And also the thyme is going to toast and get very aromatic. Hence, you'll have some delicious rice. You have to keep on stirring the garlic so that it doesn't burn. You don't want dark bits of garlic in your rice. Once you notice that your garlic is ready, it's time to add in your rice. And I've been soaking my rice for around 20 minutes, and this is 1 cup. So I'm going to drain off the water and add in the pan. Adding salt to season your rice, and then you're going to toast for around a minute. And the rice is very delicate at this point, so don't stir too much because the rice is going to break apart because we have been soaking the rice. Also go for a good quality of rice for the perfect outcome. Today I'm using short grain basmati. If you have some long grain basmati rice or some good quality rice, the recipe is going to turn out amazing. After 1 minute, your rice will have soaked in the nice flavors from garlic and thyme. So because we are cooking 1 part of rice, we're going to be adding in 2 parts of water. That is 1:2. That is the water ratio. Stir in the water, then you're going to wait for around a minute or 2 so that the water can come to a boil. Check the seasoning. If it's not perfect, you're going to be adding in more salt. Cook your rice for around 4 to 5 minutes or until the water is evaporated. Then next you're going to add in your zucchini and coconut cream. Stir, then you're going to cover, reduce the flames to low, and cook your rice or steam your rice for around 5 minutes until it's fully cooked. I'm going to check on my rice, which has been slowly steaming. And because it's ready, I'm going to put out the flames. Use a fork. And this is how the rice is looking. So I'm going to use a fork and fluff up the rice. The zucchini is already nice and tender. My zucchini rice is ready, and as you can see, we have a very nice color from the zucchini, and it's perfectly cooked. It's super flavorful, well seasoned, just the way I love it. Perfect to serve over some chicken, beef, or mutton stew, and it's going to be mouth watering.